Some days, cooking doesn't begin with a recipe. It begins with what's already in your kitchen. A purple cabbage, a potato, a small red onion. Nothing precious, nothing perfect. Just the start of something comforting. Welcome back to Reels to Meal. Today I'm making purple cabbage soup. The cabbage is cut rough because today perfection isn't the goal. The potato adds comfort. The onion brings balance. Everything waits in a bowl quietly. Few cloves of garlic, not measured for sharpness, but for warmth. In a pan, 1 tablespoon of butter and a teaspoon of oil. The garlic goes in on low heat. This part needs patience. A single sprig of rosemary, not to overpower, just to gently whisper in the background. As the garlic turns lightly golden, the cabbage, onion and potato goes in. This is where the color wakes up. 2 cups of hot water. It helps protect the deep purple shade. Now we wait until the potato softens and everything finds its place. The rosemary steps aside and everything else is blend, hot and smooth. Be careful here. Back in the pan, adjust the consistency with a little water. Season with salt and black pepper. Taste and adjust until it feels right. Two tablespoons of cream. Bring it to a gentle boil. And serve it hot. Finish with some toasted white and black sesame seeds, fresh greens, and few drops of chilli oil. If this bowl brought you some comfort, like the video, share it with someone who enjoys simple food, and subscribe for more honest and comforting recipes. This is Reel to Meal. Until next time, trust the process and let the heat do the work. Thank you for watching.